Welcome! Get ready to supercharge your computer skills with these 10 essential tips everyone should know. These quick tips are designed to boost your productivity, save you time, and make your daily computer use much smoother. Starting with tip 1, Ctrl+Z. It's your instant undo button. Made a mistake typing? Accidentally deleted something? Hit Ctrl+Z to reverse it instantly. Tip 2 is crucial for security. Windows+L. Use this shortcut to immediately lock your computer screen before stepping away, keeping your data safe and private. For all you multitaskers, tip 3 is Ctrl+Shift+T. Accidentally closed an important browser tab? This shortcut brings it right back, so you don't lose your place. Tip 4, Alt+Tab. Need to quickly jump between open programs? Alt+Tab lets you cycle through your active windows effortlessly. It's a huge time saver when multitasking. Next up, tip 5, Windows+D. Instantly minimize all open windows to get back to your desktop. A perfect way to clear the clutter and start fresh. Tip 6 involves efficient file management. Ctrl+A followed by delete. Use Ctrl+A to select all items in a folder, then hit delete to clear them out swiftly. Tip 7 is for easy sharing. Windows+Shift+S. This allows you to select a specific area of your screen to capture, much more targeted than a full screenshot. Tip 8 is a classic. Ctrl+F. Need to find a specific word on a web page or document? Press Ctrl+F to bring up the search box and locate it instantly. Tip 9 is F2. Instead of right-clicking and selecting Rename, just click on a file or folder and press F2 to rename it immediately. Finally, tip 10, Ctrl+Shift+Esc. This opens the Task Manager directly, perfect for dealing with unresponsive programs or troubleshooting a slow computer. That's all 10 tips. Now that you know these shortcuts, go out and use them to work smarter, not harder. Don't forget to share these productivity boosters with your friends.